Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I want to show you how I did this braided updo. One does not really see that it's braided, but some braids are involved. So take the side sections of your hair and tie it to a little ponytail. I'm using a small clear elastic, and then I flip this once under, so from the top down, and second time this makes a bit tighter the side and gives it a nice twist to the sides. Now split the hair, also the hair from the little ponytail, in two parts, and we're going to braid. I'm braiding first my left hand side into a regular 3-strand braid. So bring the left over the middle strand, then the right over the middle, left over the middle strand, and right strand over the middle. Keep on braiding until you reach the end. When it's easier for you, do the same like I'm doing. I'm just bringing the hair into the front and braiding all the way down. When you reach the end, you can secure it with a little elastic. And first braid is done. Now we're doing exactly the same thing on the other side. So split the hair into 3 equal strands. Bring now the right over the middle and then the left over the middle. The reason why I start with the outer strand is because the hair there is a bit higher, right behind my ear, and then the braid looks tighter. So keep on braiding always the outer strand over the middle strand, and to make it easier, bring the hair to the front. I hope you can see it good like this. Braid until the very end and then take another clear elastic to secure the braid. I'm not stretching out these braids because I want it to be a tight little bun. If you want the bun to be bigger or you have thinner hair, you can also stretch it out. Secure with the little elastic. And here we have the 2 braids. Now we're going to flip them or to pull them into our twist. So bring 2 fingers in and find the braid. Do the same thing on the other side. Go over with the braid, find the second braid, and then I'm crossing the braid under the bun and I'm hiding the ends by the sides so that one won't see them. So you see I have them here under the twist, and now I'm going to take bobby pins and I take a bit hair from the twist and then pin it into the end of the first braid, and I do exactly the same thing on the left hand side. I first hide it under the bun, then take a bit hair from the twist to bring the twist down and pin it into the ends. And this is already our braid. And as I did it in real time, you see it does not even take 5 minutes and you have a cute updo. If you want, just leave some hair to loosen it up in the front out. And this is the final result. I hope you like it. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you back soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.